Hello my friend, this is a video to show you how to remove and reinstall the battery of an Opel Mokka. This model is 1400cc, model 2015. I know this car is also known as Vauxhall in other countries. And the reason of this video is because this model is LPG, double fuel. There is gas fuel, LPG, and the gas fuel model has this electronic board here that creates the problem. That's the reason of being of the video. The presence of this electronic board requires safe operation to be removed. If you don't remove the board, the electronic board, you won't succeed to extract the battery. I will explain you why. If you don't have LPG, you won't have the board, and things are very easy, no need for the video. And why the board must be removed? The reason is because the main goal of the operation is to remove this bracket here that blocks the battery. You want to remove this bracket, and to get it done, you need to remove this bolt down there that blocks the bracket. On top of the bracket of the battery, there is the bracket that holds this bracket here that holds the electronic board. Is in top of the bracket. So first you must pull out the board, and finally you can extract the bracket of the battery after you have removed the bolt down there. To remove the bolt, you need space. It can't be reached with the hand. My hands don't get down there. So you also need to remove the water pipe. Step 1, very obvious. Remove the two poles of the battery, positive and negative. Extract both of them and put it aside. Step 2, we have to extract the water pipe. This one, because we need to get the bolt down there with the end. How to remove it? Easy. Put a screwdriver inside the inner part of the plug, of the plastic plug. You gently pull it out. It's not that easy, but I did it already yesterday. So you gently pull out the second part, then you gently play with it and extract it. There are two rings, maybe you can put some silicone, and then you can reach easily the bolt with the end. It's necessary, otherwise you have a risk that it falls down. You can even do it without removing the water pipe. If you put the key down here and you unscrew, then if you are very capable or very small hand, you can reach it and pull it out. Better to remove the plastic pipe. Much easier. This is an important point that I forgot to insert in the main sequence of the video. At the very beginning, or in any case before extracting the electronic board, remove this piece of rubber, pull it out, because it can easily fall down. It can easily fall down, and then it will be a big trouble to get it back from the engine. It happened to me yesterday. So extract it immediately, even before all the rest of the step, and put it somewhere. Don't forget it, because it will certainly fall down. Step 4, we can remove the board. How? Remove this nut. Remove this bolt. Then extract the plug, the connector, the big connector. How to do it? That's the critical point, but it's very easy after you discover it. Just pull this handle up. You see the connector gently slide out automatically, and you can extract it. Very easy. Then you remove the main bolt. Put the key there and unscrew it. After it's done, you can extract it, remove it, and the board is free. At that point, the board will be free. You can lift it up, and after you remove the board, you will get the job done, because the bracket of the board, as I said, is on top of the bracket of the battery. Until you extract it, you can remove this bracket. At this point, you can lift the board up and the bracket will be free. The main bracket, this one, will be free. You can remove the bracket, extract it, and the battery will get free. Then after the removal of the main bracket, you can proceed with the step 5, which is extract the battery. Just pull it up and extract it. Step 6 is reinstalling. It's the reverse of what we have seen till now. So you put the battery inside again. You put this bracket in proper position. You install back the electronic board. I want to show you the most critical point, which is how to reinstall the connector. I need 2 hands, so I stop a little bit the video. Okay, I'm back. You put the 2 faces of the connector one next the other. You will see that the connector simply slides in a little bit. Once you have reached the proper position, you will understand. Then you have to push the handle. You see the connector simply slides in and gets locked. Very easy, very easy. And then it's done. Do the rest. Reinstall all the bolts, the nuts, the pipe, the poles of the battery. No need of special explanation for this. Okay, enjoy.